Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Android customization. If you've been admiring the sleek look and feel of Samsung's latest Oneui 7 launcher and wished you could have it on your rooted Android device, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to install the Oneui 7 launcher on your phone. Let's make sure your device meets the necessary requirements. You'll need a rooted Android phone. This method requires root access. Your phone should not be running a Oneui or Touchwiz ROM. Your Android version needs to be Android 13 or newer. Alright, let's get down to the installation process. It's crucial to follow these steps carefully. First and foremost, if you have any other Oneui Home Magisk modules installed with a different name than the one we're about to install, you'll need to remove them. If you have a module with the same name, you don't need to worry about removing it. Once you've removed any conflicting modules, go ahead and reboot your phone. This ensures a clean slate for the new installation. After your phone has restarted, the next crucial step is to install the Oneui Core Magisk module. This lays the foundation for the Oneui 7 launcher. Now, it's time to install the Oneui 7 launcher module itself. You can do this through your Magisk app, KernelSU app, or even via Recovery if you have Magisk installed. If you're using KernelSU, there's an important extra step. You need to open your KernelSU app settings and disable the Unmount modules by default option. This will ensure the launcher module works correctly. Finally, after installing the launcher module, go ahead and reboot your phone one last time. The necessary module for this will also be available in the video description. Simply install it through your Magisk or KernelSU app, or via Recovery if you have Magisk installed, after you've installed the main Oneui 7 launcher module and rebooted. And that's it. You should now have the Oneui 7 launcher up and running on your rooted Android phone. Remember, all the necessary download links are available in the video description below. If you encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.